Understand the concept of the metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual world that combines elements of social media, gaming, and virtual reality. It's a 3D digital space where users can interact, communicate, and conduct business in immersive environments. Before starting a metaverse business, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what the metaverse is and how it works. Identify your niche. The metaverse is vast, and there are many opportunities to explore. Identify your niche and focus on a specific area of the metaverse that aligns with your skills and expertise. This could be virtual events, virtual real estate, gaming, or social media. Research the market. Conduct market research to understand the demand for your niche in the metaverse. Identify your target audience, their needs, and their preferences. This will help you develop a product or service that meets their needs and stands out in the market. Develop a business plan. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Your plan should include a marketing strategy, a sales strategy, and a plan for scaling your business. Build a team. Assembling a team with the right skills and expertise is crucial for success in the metaverse. Look for individuals with experience in virtual reality, gaming, and social media. Consider hiring a virtual reality developer, a content creator, and a marketing specialist. Choose the right platform. There are several platforms available for building metaverse businesses, including Decentraland, Sandbox, and CryptoVoxels. Research each platform and choose the one that best fits your niche and business goals. Create a virtual presence. Develop a virtual presence for your business by creating a virtual storefront, office, or event space. This will help you establish a physical presence in the metaverse and attract potential customers. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your metaverse business. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with potential customers, share your content, and build your brand. Implement security measures. The metaverse is a virtual world, but it's still important to implement security measures to protect your business and your customers' data. Use encryption, two-factor authentication, and other security protocols to ensure the safety and privacy of your users. Stay up to date with technology. The metaverse is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest technology and trends. Attend industry events, read industry publications, and participate in online forums to stay informed and connected. Foster a community. Building a community around your metaverse business is crucial for success. Create opportunities for users to interact with each other, share content, and collaborate. This will help you build a loyal customer base and establish your brand as a leader in the metaverse. Measure and analyze results. Use analytics tools to measure the success of your metaverse business and identify areas for improvement. Analyze user behavior, engagement, and conversion rates to optimize your strategies and improve your bottom line. Embrace innovation. The metaverse is a rapidly evolving industry, and it's essential to embrace innovation and stay ahead of the curve. Look for new technologies, trends, and opportunities to differentiate your business and stand out in the market.